Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Glad to see you. Me, Dewi Anjarani from SDN Negeri 8 Sumeragung, Kecamatan Pesanggaran, Kabupaten Banyuwangi. And here is my best practice. Title, Growth Stimulations Box. Teachers, box equals to national habitat. Box made of transparent material covered and complete with tray, light and make the natural habitat by watery media. We can observe how the plant is growing, start from the seed to the sprout, primordial, and so on. And what is the composition of the tools? Right, here's are the compositions. Green bean seed, the tray with the dark crowns, and also the watery media. And don't forget the light as the source of light. The first step is pour the seeds into the watery tray. So we first must pour the water until it soaks the daikon, and then we spread all over the tray. The first step is pour the seeds into the watery tray. So we first must pour the water until it soaks the. And here is the experience that happened in my classroom. And here is the experience that happened in my classroom. And here is the experience that happened in my classroom. And here is the experience that happened in my classroom. And here is the experience that happened in my classroom. And here is the experience that happened in my classroom. And here is the experience. Well, here is the appearance of the tools, the educative ones, that is covered with the transparent tray, but it hasn't light yet. Well, in this video, we can see the students are eagerly to see how the tools work. We put the source of light on it, on top the transparent media, so it can light up the whole place on the tray. It will prove how the photosynthesis happens.
Malam hari itu tumbuhan berfotosintesis enggak? Enggak, karena nggak ada matahari, tapi kita bikin cahaya buatan. Sebagai pengganti aja
Video, we can see the students are eagerly to see how the tools work.
Jangan sampai geser.
We put the source of the light on it, on top the transparent media, so it can. And we don't forget to cover with the black frills or wool, so it looks like a nighttime, but actually it doesn't. And we'll turn on the light, so the light will make the seed grow well. After showing the student how the tools work, I let them to see, to cover, and to examine the tools. Teachers, this technology is with modern cultivations that it happens in our regions. The growth stimulations box is a form of a comprehension to introduce the new method of the cultivations such as dragon fruit. After 12 hours observation, because of the source of the light, even though it's covered with the black wool or in the nighttime, the sprout will grow and show the primordial, so the greenness of the leaf we can see it in the box. It as a proof that the portions of the intense of light can have a big impact of the growth. In Banyuwangi, we have a lot of the dragon fruit harvest. It was the biggest after Lombok and Bali, so the demand to send the dragon fruit to other regions was massive. Though the student will know how the things happen, how the cultivations, the new methods happen, and how they are gaining plenty of harvest and to increase the economic as well. As a social knowledge, the student will know how to implement the method in a very real life or farming or cultivation in Banyuwangi. I think that's all about my best practice today. Thank you very much and see you in the next chance. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.